So hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Beginners Lab. I am back with the brand new Ubuntu desktop. As you can see, we have successfully installed it and you have booted it up for the first time, and now here you are. In this video, I am going to personally guide you and take a tour of our new digital home desktop that we are going to use from now onwards. So basically the big picture is the GNOME desktop, GNOME. It's pronounced. I don't know the pronunciation as well, but just figuring out a way. So for the first set that we are looking is this topmost bar. As you can see, my arrow cursor is here. So firstly, we will talk about what are all these things. We are having three things here. This is the top bar. This is the dock, then there is an activity is also there, our mission for control, everything else, the activities overviews are there. See, show apps are there. This is known as a dock, and this is the top bar. So starting with the top bar, in the center you can see your time, date and calendar things, those who are fixed here. Okay, so at right corner you can see system tray, or we also used to say it as status menu for a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mics, brightness, and all the features that you can see here. Like dark theme, I can change it to light one also. Then night light, airplane mode, all the features are given right here. So now the left one is this, the corner one, activity. Like I have opened this on this one tab and I'm having one more tab. So I'm not opening this. This one is an activity which I am performing, or the minimization which I have done. I am using two displays. So basically it's not showing in both, it's showing different activities. So this file folder is open here. So it's showing this only. So now let's talk about our Ubuntu dock. This thing is known as a dock. You can launch an app by simply clicking on the icons such as this. Okay, we no need here, as we can see our taskbar was there. We can pin multiple of items here. As I have pinned this and I have installed this before creating this video, because I also need some sort of things to be downloaded. Or see, the Mozilla Firefox, you are getting it by free only, but other browsers you need to download. So here you can choose that add to favorite list and all other stuffs are there. I will click on one. We can pin to dashboard, new windows and all windows. Then at the very bottom you will see a icon grid with a 9. See, with this one it's showing that show apps. So whatever the apps you have downloaded in your PC will be shown here, right here, nowhere else. As I have installed at last VLC, then this means it's in a queue only, it's not arranged. You can arrange it also. So now activities, I'm going to tell you something. The best feature we are getting is software update. Just click on this and install it. It will take some time to load and it will automatically update your system. So we have seen our desktop, and in this desktop only we are going to use everything. So my best advice now is just take a few minutes to click around, open some default apps like means a Firefox to get through it. See, I've given and it's loading. Okay, so we have opened this. Then you can open the file manager one, which I have already opened. Okay, for creating my video, means I was checking the location. Then you can see that we are having terminal also. This is the basically command prompt or terminal that we are going to use. I will show you why it's not scary at all, because you know some people find it so scary playing with root files and all other stuffs, which are not that much a headache as we people are thinking. So to make this desktop feel like home, I prefer use it more often. Don't use it just for fun or to learn. Use it as your daily routine, then you will get more attracted with it and you will be more comfortable. So in our next video, we are going to dive into a famous Linux terminal, the black screen. This one is the Linux terminal which I was talking about. And if this video was helpful, please give up a thumbs up. And if you are want to learn Ubuntu or cloud computing, the cloud computing badge is always completed. It's already completed the basic of cloud computing. And be sure to follow us on the Instagram with the same name of Bigness Lab and with the same logo. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for the day.